Bonjoro tutorial for beginners. How to use Bonjoro as your visual collaborative partner. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am giving you a tutorial on Bonjoro, how to use Bonjoro as a complete beginner to create a workflow for your team and manage your business better. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply go to bonjoro.com and you will get to this platform right here. Getting started with Bonjoro is really easy. You can click right here and you will be able to create your own account. You can sign out with your Google account or you can enter your work email. So I'm gonna go ahead and enter my login information and get to my Bonjoro dashboard. So after the initial sign up or sign into your account, this is where you will get. This is our own Bonjoro, and I'll show you all of the different features and tools we get. So right here we have our task, integrations, templates, testimonials, and my library. Now it depends on you that why you want to use Bonjoro, because it can be used to actually generate video leads from your different customers, or you can also use it to actually interact and get testimonials from your customers. So first of all, we choose a workspace. Go to the workspace right here and it will allow you to create different workspaces, and we can have more than one workspace on Bonjoro. So we have this workspace, but to create a new one, you will click on create new workspace and it allows you to select your workspace type, and then we can enter our recording video, we have goal and everything. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go with my workspace that I just created. So I will open it up and it will again take me to my main dashboard that we just opened. So right here, first of all, we have task option. We can create different tasks and we can also record a video in order to send to our different customers. To create a new tag on Bonjoro, you click on this icon right here, and now we can just simply go ahead and add a new person, add a group, upload a CSV, or connect an integration. So we can just add any things right here in our task list, or we can ask different team members to do the task for us. How to invite different team members. You will get the invite option right here. Click on invite and it allows you to invite your team members really easily. All you have to do is enter their email address, their first name, last name, and their permission as an admin or as a filmer. As a filmer, they will be able to just record the videos and send them. They won't be able to control my dashboard right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to invite a member, enter the email address, and then enter their permission. Click on send and the invite will be sent to your team member and you will be able to invite them. So once you have different team members, then you will be able to interact with them and they will be able to interact with the customers. Again, we were talking about the new option right here. So I can add a person, which is going to be my customer. I can add a group and do other things. I'm going to click on add a person, and then you have to enter their email address right here. And you will be able to add them as your customer right here on Bonjoro, and you will be able to simply record and send them videos. Then we have our reply option right here, results, templates, and setup. Let's go ahead and check out different templates available on Bonjoro. Now, Bonjoro has a lot of different tools for us and features. That's what I really like about it, because it has made sales really easy for me and for a lot of different people who work in CRM and who work in these different niches. So you can see that we have templates on all of different industries: sales, marketing, customer success, educators, and e-commerce. I personally go with marketing and e-commerce because that's where I deal in, and that's why I personally use Bonjoro. And it allows me to create videos and send replies to my different customers and team members. So to create a new template or to actually use a message template, you can just click on this option right here and you can see postcard layout or next generation template. Keep in mind that everything with Bonjoro depends on your videos because it's a visual collaborative partner and you will have to create videos. So we can get with any of these different layouts. Let's go with a postcard layout. And it will allow me to now create a message. All I have to do is just, click right here, add my message content. I can also create a landing page if I want. Then I have my logo that I can add right here. And this is where my video will be shown. And this is how I will simply send a video. To send your own video and record it, it's very easy. We'll simply go back to our dashboard. So you can see on your main dashboard in task, we get the record now option. And if I click on record now, it will open up my camera and I will be able to record a video on my mobile phone if I'm using Bonjoro app, or on my laptop or PC if I'm using it on computer. Then we also have custom fields that we can add to our message on Bonjoro before sending it to someone, and you can click on add and it will allow you to add fields. Right here, I can actually connect my Bonjoro with all of the different integrations available, such as Active Campaign, where I can get my email marketing campaigns directly and reply them with a video using Bonjoro. Then we have Aweber, HubSpot, Pipedrive, Shopify, ConvertKit, Slack, and Patreon. All of these are available here, or I can create a new one from this workflow. This is actually our integration option right here. And then if I'll go back to the task again, I can also connect an integration from this option. So now we know how to actually add different tasks and create this task list, how to record a video. Custom fields mean adding an integration. And then we know how to actually use templates on Bonjoro. Let's move on to testimonials. So right here, we can actually create different testimonial projects, and each project can has different tasks and it can have different testimonials or reviews from my customers. I can add different team members to my project. I can add responses, feedbacks, and reviews. To create a new project, you just click right here, new project, and then again, it will open up a layout for you and it will allow you to add an image. It will allow you to add a video. So we simply enter an image right here, which is going to be the logo where you can see right here, Bonjoro written. Then we have questionnaire. What was the question? Other request, and thank you message. So this is how people will be able to simply add a testimonial, and I will be able to create a testimonial for my Bonjoro right here. And you can see they will enter their name and email and enter their details. So this is like the preview of how this request will look like. This is the request that I have to send to my customers to get a testimonial and to get a review for them for my business that I'm running on maybe Shopify, I'm running on Etsy. We can integrate any of the different platforms from this option. Then I will be able to auto-populate my task list with context from other tools using trigger events to send messages and precisely at the right time. So Bonjoro helps us to get punctual, and it also helps us to get this creative workspace where I can actually use Bonjoro as my visual collaborative partner, and it will help me get all the different ideas, and it will give me all of these different tools and features that I can work with. Then in task, we have our results, and then we have our templates again. So we didn't check the result option. So I will take you to results now and show you how the results look on Bonjoro. Now, you will be able to see all of your different task list right here. And then you will be able to see all of the results for your messages that you have sent from, delivered, opened, watched, liked, clicked, and replied. So this is where we get, if I've sent a video to someone, then I will be able to check the results here, that how many of different people got it, then who opened it, who watched it, and what is the actually insights, and how many people liked it and clicked on my video. So this is how we get the insights very easily. If I go to my task list now, this is our task list again. So this is actually where we work most of the time. This is where we are, and with task list we can actually get into all of the different options. So again, we have the record now option right here, and you can record it. We have different assignees, and I can assign different tasks to all of my different members that I've invited. In my library, you will be able to get all of your Chrome extensions that you have uploaded, or your media, images, videos, your previous videos. Everything will be saved in your video library, and you can access it anytime you want. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know how to use Bonjoro as a complete beginner. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.